hardly hear you up here, but I want you to sing with me, okay? Like you were back, she's shaking her head no. That's okay.
My name's Natalie.
Natalie, honey, thank you for singing with me earlier. We might have to do some singing later on too. Just a little dog. This song, y'all, is a good friend of mine over in Western Kentucky wrote this song. And a lot of people mention this song to me because a lot of people can relate to it. My granddaddy was a mechanic. He could fix about anything. And I can sure relate to this song because of him. This is called the Toolbox. Hope y'all like it. Old toolbox, looking for a 9/16 ring. Found a note with my name written on it, covered in greasy fingerprint. It said this hammer built the house that you grew up in. That ruler carefully measured every board. That crescent wrench got my old truck started. That snowy winter night when you were born. I got this handsaw from your mother our first Christmas. And it helped build her that red old rocking chair. And every time I saw her rocking you in it, I felt richer than a Wall Street millionaire. Son, take good care of your tools, and they'll take good care of you. With sweat, blood, and common sense, there's no job too hard to be. With the right tools and some help from God, but ain't no problem in this world you can't fix. That socket set's gonna send you to college. Keep that tractor running just a few more years. That borrowed knife belonged to your grandpa. I can't use it without fighting back the tears. Those channel locks will slip if you're not careful. They ain't the best, but just the best I can afford. This life comes with a good set of directions. If you're wondering what that Bible's in there for, son, take good care of your tools, and they'll take good care of you. With sweat, blood, and common sense, there's no job too hard to be. With the right tools and some help from God, but ain't no problem in this world you can't fix. If you're looking for a 9/16 boxed in ring, finding it shouldn't be too hard. It's right where I told you not to leave, where the wheel fell off your bike in the backyard. Son, take good care of your tools, and they'll take good care of you. With sweat, blood, and common sense, there's no job too hard to be. With the right tools and some help from God, but ain't no problem in this world you can't fix.